Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Math 237 course, and I'll give you guys a rundown about this course in this video. So I'm going to start with the scratch. I'm going to go to the SATE website because a lot of you guys are new to this course, not only new to the course and new to the SATE also. So if you're going to click on to the SATE website, this is sate.ca. As soon as you click onto this one and then click onto the login, and then you will find three things: my SATE, email, and the Brightspace. So make sure you set up your email because I'll be sending you a lot of emails. So this is really necessary. And then also make sure you always click onto the Brightspace. This is what I'm going to click on. So your password for the Brightspace will be month, day, year, or something like day, month, year. I'm not 100% sure, but try and look into it, and you will. I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. And yeah, so I'm going to click onto the Brightspace right now. As soon as I click onto the Brightspace, then it takes me to the courses which I'm teaching, and this is the course I'm teaching you guys. So physics, of not physics, this is the math course which I'm teaching you, Math 237. And in this, if I click onto this Math 237, it takes me to this portal. This is me, and I've been teaching here over 7 years, and this is the little bit of an introduction about me. And down here you will see the announcement section, and here I will be posting a lot of information which will be really helpful for you guys to study this course. So I'm going to start with the first announcement. That's a welcome announcement. I posted my phone number and email address. If you have any questions or any concerns with regards to the course, please do give me a call. So this is my phone number and email address. And other than that, I've also posted the important dates down here. So drop date for this course is 26 Jan. If someone finds that, hey, this course is pretty much, they don't need it and they don't want to get into this course because the asynchronous thing doesn't work for them. So this is the drop date, and withdrawal date is 19th of March for this particular course. Uh, then, uh, then the second announcement, the book. So book for this course is, this is the book, Basic Technical Mathematics with Calculus by Washington. So I'll highly recommend you guys to buy the book, and because we will be covering a lot of material from the book. And I posted the outer page. How does the page look like for this book? So you can download this picture, and you'll be able to see how does the book look like from the outside. And here, because right now I totally understand a lot of you guys don't have the book, so I posted some of the pictures of those chapters which we will be covering in the syllabus uh, down here. So those pictures are here for chapter number 1. If you're going to download this and open this one, you will see the chapter 1.4, 1.10, 1.11. These are the chapters in here, and then the solutions are also, means the answers are also provided, and these are the question I'll highly recommend you to solve by yourself. And here is the recorded lecture. This is the recorded lecture from my synchronous class where the students see me 3 hours or 6 hours every week, and I teach them, and those lectures literally the same thing, same syllabus, everything is same. So I'm posting those lectures here. One thing I want to tell you, please make sure you don't copy the deadlines from these lectures. These deadlines, whatever deadlines I'm talking about in these lectures, they belong to the synchronous class. Synchronous class, their timings are different. They started 1 week before you guys. So please make sure you don't follow the deadlines, only follow the course material, because the course material is exactly the same. So if you want to follow it, if you want to study by yourself, go ahead and do that. I have no problems that I'm not, what I'm trying to say, I'm not one of those teachers who want you guys to force that study from the way I am teaching. All right. And then the chapter number 6 has also been posted down here. This is the information for chapter 6. Now I will go to the content section. So under the content, if I see, click onto this, and then click on to the course information. Under the course information, course schedule. Here you will find all the information which you guys require. So in the course schedule, so course schedule, this is how course schedule look like. This is some useful information. Before that, I'll show you. uh, what is the syllabus. So this is the algebraic review where you will do these topics. As I said, 1.4, 1.10, and 1.11 for the lecture 1, and then chapter 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. These are the topics for second chapter, which is also part of algebra. And so this is the whole syllabus. These are the chapters which we are covering from the book. We are not covering the whole book, but selective chapters which we will study. One thing I want to tell you, you can buy the online book, you can buy it from the bookstore, you can buy it from Kijiji also. I think from Kijiji you may end up finding it cheaper. And if you have the previous online version, go ahead and use that. Some of you guys might have lost it because it lasts for only 1 year. It's online book from SAIT webs. Ask ask to Pearson and ask to SAIT bookstore also. Wherever you find it cheaper, you can purchase it from there. All right. Now, talking about how the assessment's gonna look like. So there will be 4 tests: test 1, test 2, test 3, and test 4. All the tests have an equal weightage of 15%. So 15% each, 15 times 4, that's gonna come out to be 60. And then final will be of 40 marks. 40 marks in the sense weightage of the final will be 40%. Now, uh, if you see where it is written like chapter 11.1 to 11.3, so if I'll show you here, so 11.1 dash 11.3, it means from 11.1 to 11.3, means including 11.2 also. If you just see that, like for example here 1.4, 1.10, comma 1.10, it means this is the exercise we're going to do. We're not going to do 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, and so on and so forth. We directly going to jump to 1.10 after doing 1.4. So that's what it means. Now the test, as I said, there are 4 tests, and each has a 15% weightage. You will be writing the test on the campus. Again, please mark my words. The test will be written on campus, and also the final exam. For test, you can select any time. I'm pretty flexible with the time. So mainly I've provided you the time. On the weekdays, you can take the time between 5 to 9 p.m. If that works for you, in my office NN210, you can write that exam there. Or on Saturdays, you can also write between 12:30 to 4 p.m. in library. 12:30 to 4 in the library. I will be present in the library. When you're going to go to the front desk, ask them about me and they will guide you to me. Ask them about Arjun and they will let you know where the Arjun is. So another thing, my phone number and email is also provided. So if you have any confusion, you can ask me. If you are one of those students who live outside Calgary and you cannot come to the campus to write the exam, or because of any which reason you wanted to write the exam in an online manner, you can use the ProctorU. But for ProctorU, you might have to pay. You have to pay, shall I say? You will have to pay $15. That is the fees. That SAIT doesn't charge us. That goes to the ProctorU. And please also book it as soon as possible. Let me know that you wanted to write it. Hey, I am out of the city and in this particular week, so I wanted to write it using ProctorU so that I can book it for you. Because last minute booking, they will charge you more money. So another thing I wanted to tell you is yeah, the exam week. So you can, as I said, you can write the exam at this time, but it has to be in the exam week. Now how you will be able to find the exam week? So here is the exam week. So test 1 is in week number 3 and test 2 is in week number 6. So week number 3, how are you going to find out week 3? Week 3 is from 28th. Let me see down here. Week 3 is from uh, this is week 1, week 2, week 3. Yeah, from 29th to 4th. So basically, you will have the time to write the exam from Monday 29th to February 4th. That that is when in that week you will have to write your test 1 in this week. Okay, it's not that you can come any given day and say that you wanted to write the exam, it will be, I'll give you a week, and if this time in that particular week doesn't work for you, I'm totally flexible. I'm willing to help you out. If you say, you give me a call that, hey, look, this time doesn't work for me, I wanted to write it some other time, and if that time works for me, I'm in my office, I'll allow you to write the exam at that time too. Or if you wanted to do it over the proctor, you let me know ahead of time. All right. So this is the test week, and I'll actually post the dates also, so that you are not confused about the test also. Here, that I've already told you, it is from the 29th to the 4th of Feb, 29th of Jan to the 4th of Feb. That is week 3. And I'll post the week 6 also for test 2. Test 2 is in week 6, and test 3 is in week number 9, and test 4 is in week number 12. And final, for final, you'll write the final again on campus, but final you will write, or everyone will be on campus together on 20th April at 3 p.m. You will write the exam on campus. So please make sure that in this you don't have a flexibility of a week, it will be at the same time. Having said that, if someone has an emergency or any issue, so as I said, someone is outside the country, outside the city, please let me know ahead of time. Give me a call and we can figure it out what's going on. And if your reason is justified, I can definitely look into it. Okay, so that was the introduction about the course. So hopefully you guys know how this course gonna look like now. And yeah, as I said, I will be posting the material down here, study material, and this is the lecture which I posted. If you watch it, if you like it, go through it. I'm sure this is going to help you, but if you don't like it, that's totally fine. You can do the self-study too. Other than that, if I go back to the content and look into the blended and distance course down here, in this one, if I look at some student resources, you can have formula booklet. So please make sure you download the formula booklet from here. And other than that, if I click onto the blendeds down here and click onto the angles in radians degrees, so you will find some videos here also. So from Khan Academy. So same way for other topics, you will find some videos. If you want to watch these videos, go ahead and watch these videos. So I provided you the material, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm sure I'm pretty much covered everything what you need for this course, and I'll see you uh, someday at SATE when you're gonna come and write the exam. This course is pretty straightforward and easy. The math part is not that hard. It's just that it has too much of a syllabus, so you will be always go 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 kind of a condition. So yeah, give me a call, yeah, send me an email. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you have any confusion, any apprehensions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If I've not been able to answer your question, drop in a text that, hey, this is me. Whenever you are free, give me a call. I'll give you a call back. So yeah, I'm very excited to teach you guys this course, and I will see you someday at SATE. See you guys.